Imagine not having a high school diploma because instead of learning algebra, you were learning to survive in a refugee camp. Or instead of learning history, you were working multiple part-time jobs to provide for your family. Everyone is worthy of an education and career. Goodwill is always looking at the needs in our community, and one of the needs that we saw were individuals who had not had the opportunity to obtain their high school diploma. We wanted to step into that gap as an organization and help fulfill that need for our community.
Goodwill was looking for an opportunity to join forces with an organization that could provide post-secondary opportunities for our students. Our students need to find a way to get into college so they can get a credential and get to work.
We have so many people in our community that need their GED, that need a high school equivalency program. And we decided that we would be much better if we would join together to do that work. And that's really what created NexStep Alliance. And so from the very early days of Emily Compton and Gail Getz, I want to thank them for their vision that they had, and I want to thank the current administration for the vision that they have to continue to do this and build partnerships, because collaboration for maximum impact is the way that we make a difference in this community.
With WSU Tech's help, we've changed the lives of over 700 graduates and their families over the last 8 years. The road ahead for them is charged with opportunities for prosperity, and we could not be more grateful to WSU Tech and their shared vision of success.